Third is there. Crazy.
We're buying them all.
Fucking so close, dude. Nice. Right, if I remember how to do this properly now. Tuner, no? Oh, yes! Yes! The radio's fallen out as I was jacking the car up. The radio's backed out. But no, this fell off though.
Yeah.
And what's that? Who wrote on this?
Felix. He's talking about it.
Orange what?
Orange filter on clocks, LED no work.
Bro, what is this degenerate ass stuff that
raw.
When did he do that?
He told me about it ages ago.
What the fuck? How long has that been going on without me knowing? You're telling me that's not the... Oh, bro.
I think one of them is underneath the fuse box.
He's actually gone around and like written like pens and stuff. How do you know these areas?
Because he's told me.
He's told you
I
where
think it's like underneath the fuse box.
Fucking gremlins. No, it is. I can't even see what that says. I'm gonna have to look back on editing. Put her on the chassis leg. As long as she's on the chassis leg.
We're buying them all. Michael, he's gonna try and get back up and he's gonna smack his head on the bottom of the door.
Don't you dare say that. I fucking hate you, dude. That's a stiff caliper. Let's have a look underneath the gear. Oh my god, that's an O2 sensor that somebody just posted up in there. Oh my god, when getting this engine in, we wrapped it around the drive shaft. That's fucking brilliant. Let's have that. Thank you, mate. Where does this go now? That's the true question. Yeah, well that definitely goes on there. That clips on there. And then that runs down to that there. Oh shit. That's great, isn't it? I've now got first, second, fourth. Oh, I've got third! Third is there!
Holy shit.
I've got third, boys!
We won after one gear, let's be honest.
We won after one.
We've got third.
I'm just gonna go and connect the rest of the linkage, hold on.
It's so cool.
They
make me feel better.
Right, so I've got I think just first and second. I think I've only got first and second. These Peugeot gearboxes are absolute tosh. Like, the way that they work is shit. But I've got to connect that other clip down there back, and then I should have like the neutral selector. Then I can select like the movement on here. Here's the selector, right? This is third and fourth. We're currently selecting third and fourth, right? I need to get that. That's neutral. Neutral is controlled by that little boy right there, right? That thing, right? I need to try and connect that rod over there to get that neutral. All of that down there, all that linkage is just misery. Why couldn't you just use shifter cables? I don't know. It's gonna blow up. First event this does, that gearbox is blowing up. I already know it is. So we're gonna be driving back and we're gonna be missing first gear. First gear is gonna blow up on this, I'm telling you. We now have gears. Look, we now have gears. We've gone over with the lighter. We've heated that area up now. Now we need to run this down to there. It's the rare burgundy. Go on, you bastard. Get down there now. Body kit, yeah, you didn't scotch this, so it's falling off here. The fitment is fucking so close, dude. You've been slightly... Okay.
No, it's been rubbing like shit, I know.
It's been getting hot, dude.
Sick.
Oh, I fucking love it, dude. Straight out to... dude, that's crazy. Oh, yes. You engine swapped it, yeah?
Yeah, real Lotus swap, by the way.
This is a real Lotus swap, isn't it? Real Lotus swap. Dude, real Lotus swap. I love how like these are actually green. You know why they're green, don't you?
I love the green.
Do you know why they're green though? If you look back at the early videos, you will find we resprayed the engine bay on that car. So that's why these are green, because we didn't do any masking at all, did we? I think I just stick with that, you know. Yeah. Oh, it's perfect. Actual Momo wheels as well is just insane.